Welcome to the Plumb Farm, located on the banks of the South Platte River, just east of Greeley, Colorado. This legacy property features productive irrigated farm ground, ample water rights, surface water, and endless recreational opportunities. Surrounded by gravel mines and water storage, this well-rounded property caters to the needs of investors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Plumb Farm sits on 323 plus or minus acres of meticulously maintained land with many thoughtful improvements, including multiple residences, shops, and ample covered equipment storage. The centerpiece of this property is the extensively remodeled 3,498 square foot main house, along with the 1,078 square foot guest house. In addition to the homes, the property features several shops and garages, providing generous covered storage for equipment and machinery. The Plumb Farm stands out as a premier hunting destination in northern Colorado. The farm's northwest corner boasts a generous stretch of the South Platte River, renowned for its thriving year-round waterfowl population. Hunters can take advantage of the river's dynamic environment and the numerous ponds scattered across the property. The river bottom, adorned with mature cottonwood trees, provides excellent habitat for turkey and deer, both of which are commonly seen throughout the landscape. Additionally, Canada geese are frequent visitors, using the property as a sanctuary during migration periods. Despite its rich hunting potential, the Plumb Farm has primarily been utilized for agricultural production, a testament to the current owner's dedication to conservation and sustainable land management. The farm is distinguished by its outstanding water rights and meticulously maintained irrigation equipment. Don't miss your opportunity to own this turnkey property with all of the necessary tools in place to run a successful farming operation or to enjoy a unique hunter's paradise. For a qualified showing, please contact John Harity or Seth Hayden.